Chapter 4 Applications of MS Excel 2016. This chapter covers List features of Excel, Start MS Excel, List components of MS Excel 2016 windows, Types of data in a worksheet, Work in MS Excel, Perform mathematical calculations, Enter data in a worksheet, Save a workbook. MS Excel is a part of Microsoft Office application. Excel is mainly used for doing calculations and mathematical works. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application in which we can add numbers of sheets as per our requirements. A single Excel sheet consists of rows, columns, and cells. Features of Excel. 1. Hyperlink. We can link one file to another file or page in Excel. 2. Clip art. We can add images, audio and video clips. 3. Charts. We can clearly show product evaluation to the clients with charts. For example, chart for product sale. 4. Tables. Tables are created with different fields. Example, tables to fill the values of name, age, address, roll number. 5. Functions. It helps to perform mathematical functions such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and logical functions. 6. Images and backgrounds. We add images and backgrounds in sheet. 7. Macros. Macros are used for recording events for further use. 8. Database. Database can be added from other sources with data feature. 9. Sorting and filter. We can sort our data and also filter our data. 10. Page layout. By this, we can incorporate themes, colors, sheets, margins, size, backgrounds, breaks, print, titles, sheets height, width, scaling, gridness, headings, views, etc. as per our requirements. Starting MS Excel. 1. Click Start button. 2. Choose Microsoft Office Excel 2016 and click it. MS Excel Windows opens up on the screen. Components of MS Excel 2016 Windows. Quick Access Toolbar. This customizable toolbar allows you to add frequently used commands. Click on the down arrow at the bottom of the toolbar to display the available options. File button. Clicking on the File button displays a drop-down menu containing a number of options such as Open, Save and Print. Ribbon. The ribbon is the strip of buttons and icons located above the work area in Excel 2016. Ribbon divides its commands into 7 tabs: Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review and View. Active Cell. In an Excel 2016 worksheet, the cell with the black outline is active cell. Data is always entered into this active cell. Column headings. Columns run vertically on a worksheet and each one is identified by a letter in the column header. Formula bar. Located above the worksheet, this area displays the contents of the active cell. It can also be used for entering or editing data and formulas. Name box. Located next to the formula bar, the name box displays the cell reference or the name of the active cell. Row headings. Rows run horizontally in a worksheet and are identified by a number in the row header. Together, a column letter and a row number create a cell reference. Each cell in the worksheet can be identified by combination of letters and numbers such as A1, F456 or 8834. Sheet tabs. By default, there are 3 worksheets in an Excel file. The tab at the bottom of a worksheet tells you the name of the worksheet, such as Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3, etc. Status bar. The status bar appears at the bottom of the MS Excel window. It shows messages from the program. Always remember, the word spreadsheet originated from spread in the sense of a magazine or newspaper item that covers two facing pages, extending across the center fold and treating the two pages as a single big page. Types of data in a worksheet. 1. Labels. Any text entry is called labels like name, address, etc. 2. Values. Any numerical data is called values like roll number, marks, etc. 3. Date. It can be represented in short date format or long date format. Example 23/11/1986 or November 23, 1986. 4. Formula. It is a mathematical calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Formula starts with equal to sign. For example, equal sum into bracket A1 colon A4. Working in MS Excel. A worksheet has a very large size and many cells. To navigate around them, the following keys can be used. Right key to move one column right, left key to move one column left, up arrow to move one row up, down arrow to move one row down, page up to move one screen up, page down to move one screen down, Control plus Home to move to the first cell of the topmost row, Control plus End to move to the last used cell of spreadsheet. Entering data in a worksheet. To enter data in a worksheet, the steps are: 1. Click on the cell or place the cursor in the cell in which data is to be entered and type the data. 2. Press Enter key or click on Tick button in the formula bar to insert data in the cell. To cancel the data while typing, press Escape key or click on Cross button in the formula bar. Performing mathematical calculations. In Microsoft Excel, you can enter numbers and mathematical formulas into cells. Whether you enter a number or a formula, you can reference the cell when you perform mathematical calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. When entering a mathematical formula, precede the formula with an equal to sign. Use the following to indicate the type of calculation you wish to perform. Plus for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, slash for division, exponential. Steps followed are: 1. Type the following data in Excel sheet. 2. Type equal to B3 plus C3 plus D3 in cell E3. Press Enter key. The sum of the values in the cells B3 to D3 is calculated and displayed in the cell E3. 3. To calculate other cells' value, copy the formula and paste in relevant cells. 4. Click on E7 cell and click Auto Sum button present on the Formulas tab. Excel suggests a range which you can either accept or select a range E2 to E6. Saving a workbook. When you save a workbook, you have two choices: save or save as. To save a document, click on the File button and select Save option. You may need to use the Save As feature when you need to save a workbook under a different name or to save it for different versions of Excel. Click the File button. Click Save As. Type in the name for the workbook. In the Save As type, choose Excel 97-2003 worksheet. Facts to learn. A new Excel workbook has 3 worksheets, but you can add more also. Summary. MS Excel is a software to create spreadsheets which processes the numbers. An Excel document is known as a workbook. The commands in the font group under Home tab are used to format text in cells. Fill handle on the lower right corner of the selected cell is dragged to enter a predefined series of data.